Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sama and for today's video I have got a Ramadan vlog for you guys. By the way, Ramadan Kareem to everyone who's celebrating. I hope this holy month comes with a lot of good things for you guys. Let me know from where are you fasting and where are you from. Just to let you know guys, it's not the first day of Ramadan, it's the third day if I'm not wrong. I'm starting this vlog late because I had a lot of work to do. I have been lost in my work. I didn't finish, but I was like, I have to do this video before Ramadan will finish. So now it's already 4 p.m. I'm gonna do a fast cleanup of the apartment. It's already clean, but you know me, I have to clean a little bit more. I will get Iftar ready. I will be showing you what I have for today. And yeah, that's it. So if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, we will start this video. So as you can see right here, I'm changing the sheets, the bed sheets. Actually, these ones, they are clean, but because I'm doing this clean up video, I'm just changing them. And because it's so miserable outside, I decided to put some warm kind of sheets, like I'm talking about the color. So I put these yellow ones. Actually, they remind me of the sun, so that's why I have put them. I got them from Lidl in these ones, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, they make me feel happy, so that's why I put these ones. Actually, I will not complain because at least it's not very hot and it makes fasting easier during this holy month. But still, I needed a little bit of color at home, so that's why I'm putting these ones. They're so comfortable, they're so soft. I washed them at least a million times and they're still so good. So yeah, that's why I put them here. And of course I have to spray this because it smells so good. Then I will go to the bathroom, and first thing to do, I will change the towels. I'm putting white towels as always. I love white towels, even if I know it's not good when you're using makeup, but still I will not change them. And I will start cleaning up the bathroom. So I'm starting with the mirror. First thing to do is always the mirror. I cannot see the mirror dirty. It will just bother me, and no way. So yeah, as soon as I clean that, I will put things back to their place and clean them. And I will go with the sink. I will just remove all the dirt, clean it, and make sure everything is clean and smells good. And of course, put everything back to its place. And we'll do the same with the rest of the bathroom. As I told you, everything's already clean, but I'm just cleaning again and changing everything. And vacuuming the floor. I started with the bathroom and then went to the bedroom and doing the floor, of course. I love this product. It smells so good. It's from Ajax. It's amazing. And now mopping the floor. It feels so good when I mop the floor, actually. And the most important one for me is the bathroom and the kitchen. They are the ones I have to clean. Now going back to the kitchen, as I told you, everything is clean. I'm just putting back everything on their places. I'm putting everything back to its place. Sorry, I cannot talk. And these things were there from last night, so I'm just making sure they're clean as well, washing them. So we'll clean all the kitchen. And then go to the sitting room. So once again, I'm doing the same thing with the sitting room, reorganizing all the pillows, putting back the blanket. This is for Netflix shows. Putting all the spray to smell good, and then I will vacuum the floor, do the same with the kitchen, and then mop everything. Of course, I have this table and the chairs. I will put them up because it's easier for me when I'm vacuuming and mopping. By the way, if you're asking, my pajamas and my flip-flops, they're coming from Primark. They're so comfortable. I love them. And my pajamas, I'm really surprised that they are so good. The quality is amazing. I may go and I get them in other colors because I really love them. So yeah, now putting everything back to its place. All it's clean, smells good. The apartment is ready for Ramadan. So now we will just put some bukhor. I don't know if you know about it, but it makes the house smell amazing, and the clothes and everything. So that's why I'm putting it everywhere, so it will remove the smell of cooking, because I have been cooking every single day. I have been doing a lot of cooking, so that's why I like to put bukhor everywhere. It makes it smell so good. Now that I'm done, we'll let you with the cooking part. So now it's time to cook. Just to let you know, I have done the soup for like 3 days. It's the Moroccan soup. It's called harira. I have done that for like at least for 3-4 days. So I still have some left. I have some Moroccan bread as well. I just have to boil some eggs. I'm gonna do some what I don't know how you call them in English, but I'm gonna show you anyways. And I will do Moroccan tea. I'm gonna prepare iftar and I'll be showing you how I do that. I'm gonna take my hair up because I don't like my hair everywhere when I'm cooking, so I'm gonna do that and try not to look crazy. I guess it's impossible with the curly hair. Anyway, and we will get started. Of course, I'm starting with the Moroccan tea. I'm preparing everything. I just put the tea inside and I will leave it in a corner so I can do it later, because if I do it right now it will not be good. And now I'm gonna start with what I call the briwet. I'm gonna be showing you. I will just put an egg and mix it so I can stick with it the sheets, as you can see in the video. And then I will cook the meat. It's the same meat that you will use for meatballs. I have done them before. I have done a tagine that you will see later. I'm using the same meat and I'm cooking it, so I will put it inside the briwet. At the same time, I'm boiling the water so I can boil some eggs. I'm gonna put the eggs to boil because the water is ready. I will add some spices. Let me know if you want to know what I use exactly to do them. I will be so happy to show you how I prepare briwet. I have chosen this time this mixture to put inside, but you can put anything you want. I'm gonna put some gloves because I have used a lot of spices and then my hands will be yellow, which I don't like. And I'm gonna start doing them. So you put the mixture and then you flip and flip and flip again and put some egg to make sure that it will stick together and it will not get open once you put them to fry. Once again, I will do the same. I'm doing it really fast so you can just have an idea on how I do it. But if you want a video on how I do it exactly, what I use, the different kind of mixtures you can put inside, let me know. It would be a pleasure to make a video for you guys. I'm not a professional, but still I like to cook and do this kind of things for dinner or lunch or anything. This moment actually is for iftar. So once again, I will cut the sheet. Put some cheese. This one is lavash kiri, but you can put any kind of cheese actually, it's no problem. and put again the meat, and the same thing. It will not change. You keep doing the same thing. Now I'm gonna put some oil, and it has to be hot. If it's not hot, the brewat will get all the oil and it's not nice. I have put some paper so it will absorb as much oil as possible, and at the same time now I'm just preparing the eggs. Cut them, put some salt and spices, and that's it. Now start to fry the brewats. I just leave them like not even 1 second. Sorry about the wine, by the way. It's so windy here in France. The weather, it's not the best right now. And yeah, so as you can see, I remove them as soon as I can. And put the other ones to fry. Same thing, you make sure you don't go anywhere, because as soon as you don't follow them just 1 second, you don't keep an eye on them, they will get black and you will not be able to eat them. They will not be nice. They have to fry enough to be crispy and golden, not more, not less. Be careful. Now that I finished with the brewat, I'm taking out my harira, the soup, the Moroccan soup. As I told you, I have made a lot for like 4 days, so I'm taking enough for 2 people, and I'm putting it aside and putting back my soup on the fridge, obviously. And now I'm gonna warm up the rest of the tagine that I have done the other day, meatballs tagine. Is this one. I'm putting it to side. And then these are some Moroccan stuff. I don't know how to explain it. We call it sfouf, which is a mixture, all kind of almonds and stuff like that. I will put them on the table. Then I put aside the tagine. It got all ready. And this is a kind of Moroccan bread that I'm cooking aside. And at the same time, I'm doing the Moroccan tea. I put some mint, I put sugar and hot water. I'm gonna remove the harira because it has to get warm slowly, and I'm gonna put the Moroccan tea until it gets all the way up. And by that time I'm removing the other msamman and putting another one. Cutting it in small pieces so everyone can serve themselves. This msamman is the one with the vegetables inside, but you have another kind of msamman where there is nothing and you can put honey and butter with it. It's so good. Now I'm doing the orange juice. Sorry about the noise. I'm getting the orange juice ready because you need a lot of energy when you're fasting. At the same time, I'm making sure that nothing is getting too warm or too hot. Putting the harira on the balls to put it on the table. It's so good. Oh, I'm so hungry right now. Getting the table ready, putting everything on its place. I just put the table in front of TV because we have to watch TV while we eat. And this is our table. I hope you like this video, guys, and happy Ramadan for you. And let me know if you like this kind of video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.